get stick. We ain't playing with you niggas. In the trunk I got them things that'll spray and hit you niggas. Think something funny? Y'all keep laughing. Nigga already dead. I'ma keep stabbing. Been a loose cannon, been putting work in. Name ringing bells, the schools deep, the wall burning. Niggas talk about battle, but they ain't battle dogs. My rap sheet is longer than niggas' catalog. Fuck you battle for, you know you ain't winning. Ex-Spinning Grim Reaper since the beginning. These new rappers